Hello and welcome to another Solana tutorial. Today we are finally gonna deploy our first program to mainnet. Because I often get that question, how does it work on mainnet? Well, the exact same. It works the exact same as it does on DevNet, just that mainnet is a little bit more, let's say, congested sometimes. Plus, on mainnet, your sol is worth a little more, so it just gets a little bit more exciting, because if you fuck up, then your sol is lost, and that costs more than on DevNet, where you can get airdrops. So that's what we're gonna get into today. But from a theory standpoint, it's literally the same. It's literally just the same. It's just specify mainnet-beta and you're good to go. But that's just the theory. In practice, we will see. We will see. We will see. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome to my screen. Now, last time we've left off with the fee redeemer being able to close token accounts and counting the total redeemed lamperts here. Now I did make a few changes on the program since we last spoke 2 days ago. Mainly, I removed the arguments from the count and I'm now counting myself how many program calls there are to the token program. And then I just say, well, I'm just assuming that all of those program calls are going to be close instructions. So yeah, so there you have a way to mess with a program. Just create tokens and call it, and then it will also count that as redemptions. But why would you do that? Why would you do that? Anyway, the maximum that it will count is still the number of instructions that you execute. And it's not like this is a super security critical program that we're building here, because it's literally just a counter. It doesn't operate on any valuable stuff, like all the sol just goes by it, so it doesn't really matter. Anyhow, the programming itself was relatively boring, so we're gonna skip that part. There are two things that I learned. The first thing is when you have variables like this, where I just count the number of program calls to the token program and I increase that, you need to define it as let and mute. So a mutable variable, because if we don't have that and we say anchor build, then there we go, cannot assign twice to immutable variable. So it says immutable variable per default. Let apparently is an immutable variable, so we need to say it is mutable. So what I learned here is that in Rust, let is the equivalent of const in TypeScript, and let mute is the equivalent of let in TypeScript. If you don't understand what I just said, doesn't matter. It's confusing to me too. Anyhow, so if we want to be able to change that variable, we need to say it's mutable. That's the first thing that I learned. The second thing was about including other libraries, I guess. Like for instance, the SBL token ID. So I'm just checking if the program that's called the ID is the one from the SBL token program. And therefore, I had to include a library. And you have to write that as a dependency into this cargo toml, not into this one. This is a different one, apparently. So not here, but in here, on the same folder depth as the source folder. Here in the dependencies, I added the SBL token. So just to demonstrate, if that wasn't here, then we would get the following error. Yeah, there, SBL token, use of undeclared creator module, SBL token. And then literally, if you just copy that, paste that here, there, crates IO, that's where you can find all of the crates. I don't know exactly what that is. And here we see that's the newest version. So essentially we copy that and paste that back in there. Boom. And that should work. Then there were also some other things that I had to include with this use thing, like the read pub key and read u16 and the sysvar that I could just make another use that it includes that from the anchor lang that we also already have here. That's basically like an import statement, right? So this is basically import this, that I can use this name in my code, right? That I can use it just like that. Because otherwise, I think if I wouldn't do that, for instance, with a sysvar, if we remove that, then I would have to say, where was it? Anchor lang Solana program. Then I would have to say here, anchor lang, like this. Let's see if that also works. No, of course it doesn't, because I can't spell. Yep, that would also work. If that wasn't here, then it would fail saying, I don't know what that is. There you go. I don't know what that is. So the simplest way is just to import it with use. And those are the things that I learned earlier when I did an hour of coding here in Rust. I also changed the fee redeemer such that it now doesn't send the arguments anymore and calculates the total redeemed lamperts by just multiplying it to the closed accounts. That makes it easier for us, because literally it's very unlikely that an account has more lamperts than the minimum for rent exemption, unless somebody sent Sol there. But why would anybody do that? So we just say, no, every closed account just has that many lamperts. That's the default. And we just count the number of accounts that are closed. Actually, we just count how often the token program is called. But never mind. Let's not be too specific here. We don't want perfect. We just want okay. And besides, nobody should call my program except me. So go piss off. And I could make more checks and stuff, but chill. Now, I have another question though, because now I changed the program. Are the 2.3 Sol that I have, that I bought in the last video, are they still enough to deploy to mainnet? We quickly check on the Explorer, DevNet. And this account has 2.13. Ah, that's fine. That's fine. That's still good. All good. Yeah. Okay. So we have a working program on DevNet. We now want to deploy to mainnet. Can't possibly be so hard, right? Can't possibly be so hard. But I'm a little bit nervous about it, must admit. The program works, right? We tested it. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, I mean, there's a reason why I skipped over the programming part of that, because I did stupid things like using unchecked accounts, which you shouldn't do. I mean, I can't show that in my second programming tutorial video of Anchor. You should only use that if you really know what you're doing. Which I obviously do. So yeah, what could possibly go wrong? But as I said, I'm not handling any Sol with this program, so it's all fine. And besides, if somebody wants to hack this and count a few more, fine. Go ahead, hack my poor little program. And then go piss off. Sell me all your Sol for $3. And then go piss off. Quote by SPF. Sam Bankman-Fried. Anyhow, I'm distracting from the important things. How do we deploy to mainnet? Well, Andy, the same way that you always deploy. Just that you write mainnet-beta here. And then also here. I guess I could do this. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So on DevNet, it's this address. On mainnet, it's this address. Wow. And we're gonna use mainnet now. And we're going to use the following wallet. Yeah, god damn it, I'm showing you where I store all my keys. That's the wallet that we are going to use. That's the wallet where I already sent 2.4 Sol to. So actually, let's check here. Yep, 2.39 Sol. I hope that's enough. I don't want to spend more money. Should be fine. Okay, everything here is good. Everything here is good. Okay, so let's just do it one more time. Just to be sure it's the right version. Oh, okay. So we don't say mainnet-beta. We just say mainnet. Okay, if you say so. If you say so. If you say so. If you say so. We do so. Fuck that beta. Fuck me better. Looking good. Looking good. So we still have that key pair, which just to once again double check that also this key pair is still my fee redeem counter. Okay, good, because that's what we declared inside our anchor. Good, 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 good. Yeah, right. I'm still nervous for deploying to mainnet because I kind of don't want to type it, but I think that's all we need to do. Type anchor deploy and hit that button. And then be super patient and hope and cross the thumbs and pray to the sun gods. What did we do last time? Yeah. Pray to the sun gods. So on mainnet, this could take a little longer. Just warning you. Because it could be congested or some stuff. So I'm just going to be super patient here until I get an error message. If I get an error message, I'm going to scream. Because it's not 10 p.m. yet. Literally, who designed those messages? Can that not be anything more productive? Let's not complain. It's working, so I'm not complaining. I'm just making improvement suggestions. There we go. I stopped breathing. Oh, see, that's why on mainnet this just takes so long. It just takes so long. And please don't tell me it couldn't be confirmed after 60 seconds. And please check it manually. I don't wanna. No, I don't wanna. But I do wanna copy that just in case. See? That's the difference on mainnet. That's the difference. Oh man, this is stressful. I don't even want to look. Can I look somewhere else? No results. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Patience, just be patient. Give the cluster as much time as it needs to confirm a single transaction. Get your shit together, just make it more expensive. Wait, I'm cool. I'm being cool. Just gonna be cool here. It's been 3 minutes already, god damn it. No, wait, I'm being cool. I have blue circular glasses. I must be cool. Should I come back tomorrow? Fuck! Bitch. So, apparently, this thing has no results. No results whatsoever. Okay, fuck. But we still have all our money, so all is good. Didn't lose any. All good. If we lost any, then it would now be on this key pair, and we already know how to restore that. But we don't have to because we still have all our shit. Just double checking. Still have all our shit. Okay. Well, let's just try that again. Maybe it was just having a bad day. Let's try again. I'm gonna fucking go away from this shit. I'm being responsible and snacking my life away. Now do better this time. Help. I've made a mess. I'm hiding my ledgers. Oops. Happens, I guess. See, that's precisely why you don't snack at the computer. God damn it. No! Fucker. It's not 10 p.m. yet. Can fucking scream. Fuck! Okay. But it's a good exercise to go through that recovery anyway, because you'll need it. Trust me, you will fucking need it. Because essentially, we don't want to lose our 180 euros here. So, let's fucking recover. Recover JSON. Seed phrase. I mean, hopefully. And then Solana balance. I thought it was O. Was it not O? What the fuck? Oh, keygen, sorry. Keygen. Yeah, O is the out file. And then the file path. Maybe let's try /recover.json. No. What am I doing wrong right now? Let's try it here. You fucking kidding me? What the fuck? And that's the story of how Andy lost like 200 euros. If this seed phrase has an associated passphrase, enter it. Otherwise, press enter. Okay. But why? But why? But why? That's how easy you lose money. God damn it. Yeah, I said. As easy as on DevNet. This is all not helping. You know what could be helping? My fucking YouTube channel. Because I did this before. Here. How to deploy a program. Recovering from... What did I do? Keychain recover. And then keychain recover. O recover JSON. That's literally what I did today. How does he have that? Dude, he's cheating. What the fuck? How can he do that and I can't? Is what many people think when they watch my videos. I mean, fair point. You do one thing once and do it again and it doesn't work anymore. But that's literally all I did. I recovered with O, keychain recover, out file, recover JSON. And we're pretty sure that that's the seed, right? Pretty sure. Does it have like a verbose? Override the output file if it exists. I mean, can also fucking force you. But that doesn't help, because it's still not here. What if I don't provide any of that shit? Refusing to override. Okay, how about we move this thing to, I don't know, save. And then we recover again with this goddamn fucking seed. And then... Why? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's how easy you can lose 2 sol. Now next time you ask, hey Andy, why do you take so much sol for the work that you do? That's why. Because I keep fucking losing it everywhere. To resume a deploy, pass the recovered key pair as the buff assigner to auto recover accounts Lampert, pass it Solana program close. We don't want to close the program because we want that address. Okay, this is going to be a longer video than I thought it would be. Satoshi. Okay. I'm not going to give up because there's literally money on the line here. Solana. Keygen. Recover. What do you say if I just type some bullshit here? Can't get mnemonic from seed phrases. What do you say if I say nothing here? Can't get mnemonic from seed phrases. So that means that if I copy my actual seed phrase, then at least I know that I copied it correctly. Enter. Oh, I think I see my problem now. How can I not fucking have seen that in the last fucking 10 fucking days? So stupid. Am I really that stupid? See, if I fall for that thing, people will fall for that thing. So it's good that I fell for that thing, because other people will also fall for that thing. And I can now tell you the trick how to actually do it is to type fucking yes, bitch. Was that so hard? Was that so hard? Yes, 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 literally yes. It was hard. Oh man. Okay, so once again, out file and recover JSON. Well, that's C phrase, and yes, you need to actually say yes and not just hit enter, because no, this is not in caps. This is not in any square brackets. It is just yes or no, and you need to provide yes or no. Otherwise, it's no. Same with consent, bitch. Okay. Chill, Andy. Chill. Yeah. Now we have it. There, that's where our 1.9 sol went. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. If I hit anchor deploy again, then it will just tell me, hey, you ain't got enough fucking money. So we're not going to do that. We're going to provide that, as it said, as the buffer signer. Hello? Am I being too loud?
What is the bullshit?
The bullshit is, I kept getting that message, right? For like, continue yes or no. And I kept hitting enter for yes. But it didn't do the thing. Because I had to press yes and I didn't manage for like 27 minutes. That's why my videos are so long.
That's really rocket science, I understand.
Right? Right? That's what I've been saying all along. Fucking rocket science. I gotta press the Y for yes. Anyhow, how the fuck do I now put that in here? As the buffer signer to Solana program deploy. Okay, easy. It's gonna be easy. It's not fucking rocket science. Right? Help me! Skibos buffer signer. Nah. So we just put the buffer. We need a buffer account to write to data which can be used to resume a failed deploy. It's literally just buffer, and then my recover. But there must be more to this command. And since I don't remember, I'll be like anchor build again. Building is free essentially, right? So we would do Solana deploy, all of that beautiful things. But also we would say buffer recover. And then we try that, which will hopefully work. Sag mal, wo kommt ihr denn her? Aus dem Hausen bitte sehr. Warum seid ihr Schlümpfe klein? Wir wollen gar nicht größer sein. Habt ihr Lust auf einen Tanz? Andi hat nen kleinen. If you don't get that reference, that's fine. You don't need to speak German or know Otto Walkes. 98 SCW to QL 07Y W2 to Z. Invalid block hash. Sure, if you're taking too long, then you have an invalid block hash. That's just normal. So my recovered key has this address. Let's go check that real quick. 1.9 sol. I'm the update authority. No, I'm the deploy authority. The owner is the upgradable loader. So I don't own that, so I cannot get that out. I would need to close it, but I'm afraid that I then... Let's check what if I put in my program address. If there's anything on chain for that already. Yes, but no, it's still just a normal account. So I think that should be fine, I guess. I have one failed transaction here. And if it's just a failed transaction, right, then it didn't do anything, obviously. Yeah, we attempted the buffer with this buffer, and that's why it failed. We only have 2.3 sol, and we need 3.8. Why do we need 3.8 sol? Why? This fuck is expensive. So I'm afraid that we need to go buy Sol again. Whatever, wherever, we're meant to be together. Give me all the Sol right here. Yeah, that's the deal, my dear. Wherever, wherever, we're meant to be together. So we need another 2 Sol or something, right? Because it's just 200 euros, right? 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 Expensive! I'm gonna be patient this time. There we go. Thank you. Fee Redeemer Authority. 100%! We literally just spent 400 euros on trying to deploy a fucking counter on mainnet. A counter. No. We spent 400 euros preparing to succeed in deploying a counter on Solana. Gotta see that positively. Positive thinking, bitch. We don't like that 0x1 errors. They're just, yeah, don't have enough money. Fuck you, I'll give you money. I'll give you money. Don't you worry. Redonkulous. But I really want to see where all of that money goes. We'll see. We'll see. Because on Definite, I'm like, yeah, put it wherever. But on Mainnet, I'm like, tell me exactly where you put it. Okay. And with another 2.4 Sol, we're going to try this again. Deploy with a buffer. Let's go. I don't even know what it does here, really. Is it sending out transactions? We could check my key. 2 minutes ago, we did something with success. Yeah, we funded another fucking account with 2 fucking Sol. I really want to know what that one is for. So there seems to be a buffer and there seems to be something else. I still don't know how the deploying works. Maybe we should learn. Oh, waiting for the next block. Finalizing. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, 1 out of 1 sounds good. Fuck yeah! That sounds good. Sounds good to me. If we have a look at this program now. Anchor unverified. Yeah, fuck it. It's my program. I don't need to verify that shit. I can upgrade it. That's good. It can be executed. That's good. Executable data lives here. Seems to be a program-derived address because it's the same on DevNet. And the executable data that were... Whoa! All of the 3.8 are here. So either my program grew or rent is more expensive on mainnet. That could be. Hold on 1 second. Solana rent so many bytes should be 3.8. And if we were on DevNet, would also be so many. So that doesn't change. So yeah, maybe just the program size changed now that I did some more stuff. But anyhow, all of the 3.8 are there now. So let's do a rough calculation. 2.4 yesterday plus, there is no point in German. So we had 4.4 in total and 3.8. Yeah, so the approximately 0.6 should be here and the rest we spend on transaction fees, both from Kraken and actual transactions on Solana, which is okay. So we didn't lose much. I know where the money went into this account. So this transaction took the 1.9 from the buffer and another 1.9 from me and merged it all together into this account. Okay. But that sounds good to me. Sounds good. Looks good. Now let's test if we can actually use the program that we just deployed on mainnet. What do we need to do in order to use the program? Well, we can, for one, just run the same tests with an initialize, but I don't want to initialize any kind of account. I want the account to be a specific one. So let's make it hard on ourselves and say, we want this. Count to the end for, what do I get if I do it again? Counts 1. Counts 1 chunk. It counts 1 chunk. Yeah, there's no end, but I like that. I like that one better. Let's take this one. We want this to be our account now on the mainnet for the actual counting. So I want to run what I ran last time, just that I don't take a new key pair here, but I want to load my key pair. Where did we do that before? In the airdropper. Execute airdrop. There. That's what we need to do. And we skip the counting for now. We don't want to do that. We just want to run that one test, which is not actually a test. It's the creation of the account for the counter. Anchor test. Oh, I'm so much more nervous when I do that on mainnet than if it's on DevNet. Fuck. No. Chillo, you're a base. Don't fucking redeploy. I ain't got the money to redeploy. Fucking skip deploy. Biatch. I like to say bitch. You be my bitch anchor, huh? Ah, I think I'm going crazy. So how's that test coming along now? Passing with the following transaction ID. Let's check that out. Check it out now. And that's what the account costs. Nice. If we check that account, see the count Z1 counts one chunk. It has only it has 24 bytes? I thought this time it would have only 16 because I changed account here to represent only one, but okay, whatever. Let's have an additional whatever bytes. We don't care, but we don't understand why. And we want to understand why. Oh, because here we still have the 16. Oh yeah, my bad. We say that's okay. Then we just have 8 bytes that we don't use for anything. Yeah, maybe in the future version of the program. As if I could afford to update it. But good, then we understand that at least. Doesn't matter, it's fine. Let's have it a bit too big, who cares? It's initialized, that's the important thing. Which means that now we can plug in this into our fee redeemer environment. The whole point of this file is that I do not upload it to Git, but I upload it to Git anyway. Since I publicly show you that address, I might as well upload that to Git as well. So, and then we change from the devnet to the mainnet, and we save that as well. And then we start that again, and then we will see if that works. This is exciting shit. Let's reload that fucker. Now in this wallet, I don't think I have anything to redeem. On Solandy, I don't have anything to redeem because I don't want to send your tokens away. But while we're here, let's have a look if somebody sent me something. A baby Yeti? Goddammit, Phantom, do the things that I click on, please. No, that's not what I clicked on. This here, okay, this. Thank you. A baby Yeti. Alright, sure. I mean, he looks happy. We could get rid of the scam. No, but we don't get rid of the scam, such that you can send me your scam tokens as well. But anyhow, so we don't want to send away shit. But, once upon a time, I got some shitcoins. Since I don't like the shitcoins, I'll send them to solandy.sol. All of them. Bye-bye. Let's go. And they're gone. 1,000 shit. And if I now connect my wallet, look, I also changed this. I give you some money back. Yep, connect. And I can now redeem. I want to be the first to publicly redeem. And check that out. Can it simulate? Come on. Yes, it can simulate. And look at that. If we have a look what it does, it closes a token account and then it calls the fee redeemer counter. Boom, approve. And we successfully redeemed some Sol. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that in the console, we get the transaction ID of the transaction we just made where we closed the account and called the fee redeemer counter, and the fee redeemer counter says it found a call to the token program and then a call to itself, and so it tells me it found one call to the token program, and so it increases the counter to 1. Total of 1 token accounts have been closed. Thank you for using the fee redeemer. Isn't that fucking cool? And now, if we go back here and we refresh this, we don't need that anymore. Then we see that here, look, the 0.002 are counted. Nice, this is so cool. I want to keep doing this. On mainnet, of course. Let's send some more of those shit coins away. Nobody needs that shit. Okay, now that I sent those shit coins away, we see that we have 0 of them, but they're still here in my wallet, and we have literally no more money to even create another token account. We have 0.001. But now we can refresh this here. And we have 4 empty token accounts to redeem. And we can hit redeem. And then we can see 0.008 we can redeem. And we approve that. And we redeemed some Sol. Let's check in the wallet. We should have 009 again. And we have 009 again. So we essentially sent the tokens for free. Well, for the 0.000005 transaction fee each time. We didn't have to create the token. Well, we didn't have to pay for creating the token accounts. Well, we did pay for that, but we could redeem it again. That's the point. That's the point of the fee redeemer. Damn. So if you want to use the fee redeemer, you now know how to do it. And if you do it, then that counter will increase. Look at it. It's now at 0.01. And even fucking better. We can still find our transaction in here where we called close account, close account, close account, close account, and then the fee redeemer counter with that count. So cool. And then the fee redeemer said, oh, it found a call to the token program. Oh, it found another call to the token program. It found 4 calls to the token program, bringing the total to 5 token accounts that have been closed. Thank you for using Andy's fee redeemer. This is so cool. Oh, totally worth the 400 euros. Totally worth it. Totally fucking worth it. I have now a program deployed on Solana. Isn't this like on mainnet? On mainnet. Ah, cool stuff. Yeah, and I mean that's it. That's all that we want. Wait, no, it's not, because we want to build this. Because for now we're still running this locally. We want to bring that to the public as well, of course. Going to loop creative Andy GitHub.io fee redeemer. We want to yearn deploy now. And then we wait a little bit until GitHub actually hosts that version. Now, if we refresh this, we see the 0.01 because we are deployed to Loop Creative Andy GitHub.io fee redeemer. So you can go there and redeem all of your empty token accounts. Use the wallets that you use a lot to send tokens around or do NFT stuff with, that you flip your NFTs with. Go there, redeem them. All the Sol will go to you. I don't take a cut from that. I don't want a cut from that. But I do want your NFTs. So if you want to send me an NFT, send it to solandy.sol. And here's one thing that you could do. With the Sol that you redeemed with the fee redeemer, you can go to your favorite NFT project, or second favorite, or fourth favorite, or 50, you get the idea. And you sweep the floor. And then you send those NFTs to me. That could be a good strategy. Because I like receiving NFTs. And I don't want your Sol for tax reasons. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Not much else to do anymore. We deployed to mainnet. That's what we promised. So, ooh, what was that? That's how you deploy to mainnet. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something again. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I'm pointing in the wrong direction. Subscribe to my channel here. And I see you in the next video. Remember to redeem the fees of unused token accounts and send me your NFTs. And then I see you in the next videos. Until then, bye bye. This is so cool. We can deploy to mainnet now. Deploy to so cool. Expensive, but cool.